Preparation is very important so that you are confident and you are very much familiar with the script that you are going to be part of it. But when you are going there on the set, you have to keep your mind empty for other things to come in. Preparing too much can go completely wrong. You can go completely stiff, and you will be unwelcoming of all the new ideas that a director can give it to you on that day. And it has happened to me in the past when I started it around 29, 30 years back. It happened to me. I used to over prepare, and I used to have so much debate with my directors because I was not ready to welcome his ideas. Because I was so over prepared. I was so prepared that no other new idea was welcomed on the day of the shoot. So, eventually I started realizing that this is somewhere, the reason is something else. The reason is me. The reason is my preparation. So I'll have to keep my mind empty on the day of the shoot for the new ideas to come in, for the directors to direct me. It was very, very, very important. That is the unlearning that I have done.